Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to fix eBay login problem. So if you also want to fix eBay login problem, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you need to do is update your application. You might be facing the login problem because your application is not updated. So in order to update the application, what you have to do is go to Play Store. You can see over here, Play Store is opened. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now simply tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now search for eBay. Here you'll be able to see the application for eBay. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Right now you can see two options over here, uninstall and open. If you see update option instead of open option, all you have to do is tap on it. After that, wait for a while and your application will be updated and your login problem should be fixed. If your problem is still not fixed, what you can do is try clearing the cache of your application. For that, what you have to do is go to the app library of your device. Now here find the application for eBay. Once you find the application for eBay, long press on it. Now you'll be able to see the option for app info. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the app info interface. You can find several options over here. What you have to do is find the option for storage and cache. Tap on it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the storage interface. You can see two options over here, clear storage and clear cache. What you have to do is tap on the option clear cache. Right now my cache is already cleared. After the cache is cleared, your login problem should be fixed. If your problem is still not fixed, what you can do is try uninstalling the eBay application and install it again. After that, your problem should be fixed. So that is how you fix eBay login problem. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.